Hey guys, Janae here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pirate armor. So as you can see, I have my makeup done already, but I have a special look for you all. So if you are interested in this tutorial, then keep on watching. So the first thing I do is apply black eyeshadow. And then I apply my red face and body paint from my classic palette from Just Paint. And then over my body paint, I apply the red glitter from my Born to Sparkle palette from Sherry Cosmetics. And then I take a purple from one of my Actilabs La Madeleine palettes and I apply it over the black. Next, I'm doing a black eyeliner wing to my lids. And I'm also going underneath. And then here I am taking my purple and going underneath as well. And then applying my brow wax. So now I am taking a black wax eyeliner and I am doing half of my nose for the skull. And taking a fine brush, I am going to do the outline. For the outline, I decided to mix just a little bit of white with my black to get more of like a gray look. To fill in my teeth, I am using my white body paint from Just Paint. And here I'm just going through some fine detailing of the teeth with my black mixed with white. Now I am taking my black eyeshadow and doing some shading. And to get a little bit more depth, I am going back through and using my black gel eyeliner. And again, my black eyeshadow to do a little bit more shading. Here I'm taking my concealer in the shade Sand from Actilabs and going above the skull onto my cheek. And then taking my purple and kind of giving myself a little bit shading, like a contour. And then on my nose again, I'm taking a little bit of mixture of the black and white body paint again. And then doing my lips in red body paint. And then going back over the red lips with my red glitter from my Born to Sparkle palette. And then I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of contouring and powder. To finish my look, I am applying my Skyscraper mascara, which is my favorite mascara from Acti Labs, and not using any fake lashes. So let's take a look at the end results. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more videos just like this one. And yeah, so hope to see you on our next video. Bye!